One of the most recognizable natural and cultural attractions inscribed on the UNESCO list is Lake Ohrid in Northern Macedonia. Your exploration and enjoyment of this blue pearl can begin from the city of Ohrid, which is located on the shores of the lake. A boat ride is the best way to get to know Lake Ohrid, which is one of Europe's deepest and, according to the most experts, the oldest lake, with more than 200 endemic species. Be sure to visit the monastery of Sveti Naum, which was originally built in the year 205, later demolished in the 11th and 13th centuries, and renovated in the 16th century in the Byzantine style. The monastery was founded by Saint Naum Ohridski, the son of rich and godly parents. As a result of his love for Christianity, he gave up his inheritance and became a monk, scholar and writer. After his death, he was buried in the monastery and proclaimed a saint. The monastery was subsequently named after him in his honor. The central part of the monastery complex is the Church of the Holy Archangels, which is surrounded by cypresses and stone walls, and looks especially beautiful when viewed from the water. One of the attractions of this destination is the famous 30-kilometer-long swimming marathon, starting from the monastery of Saint Naum and ending in the harbor in Ohrid.